Meet Francine, Data Center's facility manager. As a facilities manager, she is often stuck between managing operations and preparing for audits, inspections, and risk evaluations, leaving her with assessment processes that are manual and inconsistent due to the use of clipboards, spreadsheets, and non-standard templates. She lacks visibility into risk and compliance gaps due to scattered data in many systems and formats, all resulting in time-consuming and stressful audit preparation. However, now that Data Center is using MCIM's assessment module, those days of inefficiency are behind her. With standardized digital forms designed according to your facility's needs, at a glance, Francine can easily track completion rates by survey as well as their start and due dates. This is not the only tracking available. We will discuss dashboards in this video shortly. Drilling into this Building Owners and Managers Association First Impression Building Inspection Survey, you will see that assessments are templated to be used across the data center sites to ensure consistency and enforce capturing the correct required quantitative or qualitative data for audits, with features such as the ability to incorporate comments and attachments to support thorough data capture for each question. Behind the scenes, findings can auto-generate corrective action and work orders linked to the work module based on documented responses, with the added functionality to generate on-demand actions as well, as seen here by these icons below each response. This results in reliable and standardized assessments that are faster, more accurate, and comparable across sites. Please note that assessments can also be logged using a mobile device via the MCIM mobile app as seen here. This further drives the efficiency. Now to those dashboards mentioned previously. MCIM comes equipped with portfolio-wide, interactive, real-time dashboards enabling powerful insights. She is able to drill into this overdue, not completed block for the field services site and see more specifics. With a centralized view in this assessment analytics dashboard, Francine can easily see where vulnerabilities or compliance risks exist across multiple locations. Additionally, this dashboard can be configured to include pass-fail, weighted scoring, or other metrics based on your organizational needs. With additional tools to categorize and sort risk status, such as these dedicated list views, Francine can quickly identify and prioritize the most critical issues in order to allocate resources efficiently. At any given time, MCIM provides Francine with clear, actionable awareness of operational and compliance risks. Finally, let's discuss audits. Now that Francine is using MCIM, audits have become easier, quicker, and more accurate. With centralized record keeping, all assessment data is automatically stored, time-stamped, and linked to assets where applicable, work orders, and sites. She is just one click away from current assessments, historic assessments, as well as the statuses within each. Furthermore, Francine can quickly retrieve audit-ready reports with full trails of details such as, but not limited to, when and by whom assessments were conducted. Keep in mind that assessments can be tailored to match ISO, SSAE, Uptime Institute, OSHA, or your organization's specific standards. Join Francine and other top data centers that count on MCIM to streamline facility evaluations, ensure compliance, and drive continuous improvement. It replaces manual checklists with digital, standardized processes that capture consistent, auditable data across all sites. By identifying risks, tracking trends, and prioritizing corrective actions, it transforms assessments from routine tasks into strategic tools for improving reliability, safety, and performance at scale.